Okay, now we're going to fast forward through to the end of the runner. I've showed you how one set of pedalling will give you one pattern, and now I've done 4 different treadlings, and now I'm coming through to the other side of the runner, so I've nearly finished it. And I wanted to show you in a contrasting colour, perhaps we can zoom in onto this in a minute, how you can create the different patterns through the combinations of the order in which you do your feet and the orders in which your threads are threaded. So if we come in for a little close-up, and then you can see on the fabric, you can see the different pattern that I've just created. And this is simply by my feet going the way they were before and now also going backwards. So I'm putting down shaft 1 and 2, then 2 and 3. This is exactly the same as it was before. 3 and 4, and 4 and 1. Now this is where we deviate very slightly. I'm going to go backwards. So I've just done 4 and 1, so I'm reversing it, and now I go to 3 and 4. And now I'm going back to 2 and 3. And that's the end of my pattern. But you can see now that it's got these little tiny teardrops in it. Whereas it had sort of lines and things before, it's now got little teardrops. And this previous one that you can see here in the green is a different design that I did. And the lilac one here is also yet another different design that I did, just by changing the order in which I used the shafts. And that's the wonder of weave, that you can do all these different things just from one simple setup. Okay, I've just cut it off the loom, just literally took my scissors to it and cut across. And this is the finished table runner. I have just 1 or 2 little details to do still. One is to sew the ends, the 2 plain weave ends. I'm going to fold those over and sew across the top with the sewing machine. And I'll do the same at the bottom when I've taken the header out. And that will finish them off. And then the fabric is ready as my little table runner. And you can see, if you come in closer, you can see the various patterns. If I can keep my hands still enough. There are 4 different patterns that I've used. So 4 different treadling. And they're quite distinct from each other. So you can see you can get a real variety of patterns from one setup. And that's one of the little challenges I like to set myself, is to see how many different varieties I can get, variations I can get from one setup. I hope these videos have given you an idea, a taste of what weaving's about. I'm really passionate about it, as you can tell. And if you're interested to learn more or come on a course, please visit www.theloomroom.co.uk, and I can promise you we'll have a lot of fun. Thanks for watching.